JDCap26 here, just your tips and tricks and hobbies. And I'm going to show you a difference between good fried clams and bad fried clams. Stay tuned. We are with a couple pictures. I'm going to show you the difference between the two. This is a fried clams, and they're not, I mean, it's looking a little bit darker than it should, but it's, the oil is not as hot as you think it should be, and they're not really super crisp. And these weren't as good as the ones previously when we first went. And I'll show you the time we first went. Now these were super good. They were cooked crisp, the oil was hot, and they tasted very good. Difference between the two is the color. So if the color is lighter, and it doesn't show in the other picture very well, but it was lighter, the oil is not as hot, not as crisp, and not as tasty as they should be. So that's the indicator of a good fried clam. I hope this helped you. I hope you have a good day. Please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.